One of the other questions that I see get asked an awful lot, maybe 2 or 3 times a week on different forums, people that have been soldering silver their whole time of making jewellery, whether they've been doing it a year, 5 years, just making lots of little silver sort of gallery type pieces or bits of jewellery for Etsy or friends and stuff. But the main question will be that I've worked in silver for ages. A friend or a family member of mine has asked me to make them a gold wedding ring, and I've never soldered gold. So I'm going to show you, because it's basically the same, but it's more like I'm going to demo a silver and gold side by side. I'll solder the gold one first, because that's what a lot of people are used to. And you'll see how the solder flows down. Then I'll solder the yellow gold. It doesn't matter if it's 9 carat or 18 carat, white gold 9 carat, white gold 18 carat, or palladium even. As soon as the solder's on there, you're just going to see that zip through the little join as well. And the end thing that you'll notice is that it's exactly the same. So there's a lot of fear about starting with golds after working with silver, but hopefully this will give a lot of people confidence that it's exactly the same. And if you're going to get any problems, it will be the same as what you've ever had with silver. As long as the solder is on the opposite side to where your flame's coming in from, because the solder always runs towards the heat, you'll be absolutely fine. So hopefully this demo will help, and we'll do that right now.